Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Notion account. Okay, so what you need to do is scroll down here and click on settings. All we can do is come hover over here at the top left on your workspace name, and then you can click on settings from here as well. Now what usually happens, they bring you over to preferences. Okay, what you need to do is actually click here on your name. And under here, if I scroll down, we'll get this option to delete my account. This would permanently delete your account. It will also remove access from all workspaces. Everything will be deleted. So go ahead and click on this. And then what you have to do is type in your email address to confirm that you actually want to go ahead and do this. And remember, guys, all your private workspaces as well will be deleted. So if you're okay with that, type in your email and click permanently delete account and workspaces. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.